From the farm to your table, the humble tomato goes on an incredible journey. Let's take a closer look at how these vibrant red fruits make their way from a sun-soaked farm to the shelves of your local grocery store. It all starts here, in the fields where farmers cultivate tomatoes with care. Growing tomatoes begins with the perfect balance of soil, sunlight, and water. We plant the seeds in early spring, ensuring they have the right conditions to grow. Timing, irrigation, and keeping the pests away are crucial for a good harvest. After months of nurturing, the tomatoes ripen under the sun, becoming plump and juicy, ready for harvest. Once the tomatoes are ready, they're harvested quickly to preserve their freshness. These tomatoes are carefully selected for quality. Only the best ones make it to the next stage, transport to the factory. The journey from the farm to the factory is a race against time. Tomatoes need to reach the factory fast to ensure their freshness is locked in. At the processing facility, the transformation begins. At the factory, tomatoes are sorted and washed to remove any dirt or impurities. The tomatoes are checked for quality once again, ensuring only the finest ones continue down the line. Next, the tomatoes are peeled, chopped, and cooked according to their end purpose, whether they're being canned, turned into sauce, or processed into paste. We maintain strict hygiene and quality standards throughout the process to make sure the tomatoes retain their natural flavor and nutrients. After processing, the tomatoes are packaged in various forms, whether it's tomato paste, canned tomatoes, or sauce. Packaging is done in airtight containers to preserve the freshness and flavor for months to come. And finally, these tomatoes make their way to your kitchen, where they can be turned into delicious meals. Whether it's a homemade pasta sauce, a hearty stew, or a fresh salsa, the journey of the tomato adds rich flavor to every dish. From the hands of the farmer to the factory, and finally to you, the tomato's journey is a story of care, craftsmanship, and quality. End with a shot of a delicious tomato-based meal. The vast, unexplored oceans, a world of untapped potential. What if we could harness the power of the seas not just for travel, but for life, sustainability, and industry? This is the Sea Factory, a marvel of modern technology. Here, the endless ocean provides everything we need, from clean energy to sustainable food production. At the heart of the Sea Factory are its renewable energy systems. Harnessing the power of ocean currents, wind, and the sun, this floating city generates its own electricity. But that's not all. These innovative facilities are designed to grow food in a way that's sustainable and efficient. From seafood farming to vertical hydroponic gardens, Sea Factory is revolutionizing agriculture with zero environmental waste. Marine life, algae, and even sea plants are cultivated in controlled environments. These resources are processed on-site, creating a continuous supply of food, biofuel, and materials. Nothing is wasted, and everything is designed for a circular economy. Engineers from around the world manage these operations, making sure everything runs smoothly. The factory's AI-driven systems ensure precision, reducing human error and increasing efficiency. As the world faces population growth and climate challenges, the Sea Factory offers hope. Imagine hundreds of these floating cities, sustaining communities, and easing the burden on our planet's land resources. The Sea Factory, a vision of the future, made real today. The ocean holds the key to tomorrow's industries, and it all begins here.